Welcome, everyone. Okay, let's go ahead and get started.
Hey, David, I wanted to say something just in general.
Okay, hey, Stella.
Hi.
Hi.
So I had taken a whole bunch of those healthcare biotech stocks the other week.
Yes, I
Yeah.
remember. Yeah.
I kind of took way too many.
Okay.
And then I think you told me to get out of some of them. But I just was so busy and I just never got around to it. And
Okay.
they turned around.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, you got lucky.
Yeah, so I think out of like maybe 15 that I took, I think 3 of them are not looking good, but the rest are.
Okay.
So I'm really surprised. Yeah.
Okay. Stella, you have a heavy foot. You're like me.
I do.
I have a heavy foot when I drive. Um, it's great when it works out,
Cause
but
me trouble.
great when it works out, but not so great if it doesn't, right? So let's take a look at, we'll go through.
Yeah, so for example, hold on, let me see. So for example, what's this one? DBD.
Okay, so
DBD.
DBD, okay.
So there was DBD, GTHX.
GTHX,
HX,
okay, all right.
and then PGEN.
PGEM, okay.
And N for North.
N, okay, PGEN, okay,
N, yeah.
okay.
So those really have done well, but then the ones I'm questioning whether I should close out are SRRK.
SRRK, okay.
And CRIS. Those two.
CRIS, okay.
Yes, Chris. I think Chris.
Okay, so that's 5. You have 10 more, right?
Yeah, I mean they're moderately in profit.
Okay, let's take a look at them.
Yeah.
What are the others?
You want me to say all of them?
Yeah, so which ones are you concerned with?
The last two. The last two.
The last two. I want to see your others. So what are the others?
Okay. So I said Chris, DBD, DTIL.
DTIL, okay.
FBIO.
FBIO, okay.
GRPH.
GRPH, okay.
GRWG.
GRWG, okay.
KOD. I'm concerned about that one, but maybe
K
not very much.
KOD?
Yeah.
Okay, KOD. Okay, so you're concerned about that one.
And then KRON.
KRON. You've been busy.
No,
Okay.
well, it was that one week where healthcare biotech was looking so good and there were so many opportunities.
Okay.
So it was that week.
Okay. That's the last one, KRON.
Yeah, and then 2 more.
Two more.
VRCA.
VRCA.
Yeah, and VRM.
VRM. Okay. All right. We'll take a look at those. And as a matter of fact, Stock Boss is designed to do this. All right. So, tech, okay, and then healthcare. So we'll take a look at the sectors. Healthcare. Let's see here. Okay, XLV. All right, so let's do this. We're gonna go here. All right, so let's take a look at the biotech. I know it held. We were concerned XBI. This is the biotech. All right, so it held. We were concerned that this white candle here was going back and forth, and that's why we need to wait for these candles to close back and forth, red and white, close white, and that's always good when they close white. Buyers came in here on the next candle, all right, and look here, we're breaking new resistance. That's reaccumulation phase on biotech. So that's why you're getting some help, Stella, with your biotech stocks. Okay, so that's good. All right. Let's see here. Let's open it up here. All right. Might get a bit of a challenge here. All right, but that's fine. You don't have any real consolidation until we get up in this area right here. All right. Let's take a look at the that's the daily. Let's take a look at the weekly. Weekly looks good. It looks really good on the weekly for biotech. All right, so the next major concern is getting past all of this consolidation in here. Resistance is on the weekly time frame for biotech is about 97. So if it can get above this area here, we can really see some movement. Okay, healthcare. Let's just take a look at the healthcare. Healthcare XLV, and then we'll take a look at your individual stocks. The daily time frame. Daily time frame looks okay on the daily. Not choppy though, very choppy. A lot of consolidation, but the biotech, that the industry itself looks good. We do have a buy signal on healthcare. All right. So buy signal here, buyers are in, holding. Okay, so I would say a break above here would be good, but the you got really good price action on the biotech. Okay, so that's good. So let's take a look at your individual stocks. So, okay, so the first one. And everyone else, guys, this is how we learn. So we're going to go through these. All right. DBD. All right. Good job. Where did you get in? I'm assuming somewhere down in, you've had this for a while,
Yeah,
Stella.
at the buy signal.
At the buy signal. Very good. So
Yeah.
around 333, it's at 464. Good job. It moves higher. Let's say it gets around 6 and change, that's a pretty good move, right? Let's see here. A lot of these will follow the Stella, the XLB is the industry symbol or ETF for biotech. So I would put that somewhere. Keep that somewhere. Watch it.
Thank you. I took pictures of what you were showing. So
yeah. Keep
I'll
that.
track that.
Yeah. Keep that. Track that as a gauge because that will. The rest of them will follow, right? That. So keep that as a gauge. So good job here. Good job. Nothing to do, right? Markup phase, right? Buyers are in control. Nice markdown phase. Nice markdown phase. Good job. Nice accumulation. Good job. So A plus here. All right. All right. GTHX. All right. All right. Look at this one here. Where did you get in on this one? Same thing.
At the buy signal.
At the buy signal.
Yeah.
Stella, you've been quiet. Whenever you're quiet, I need to know now when Stella is quiet, she's at work. Good
or
job.
She's getting into trouble.
Good job. So $6. Look at these guys, right? It closed today at $10, right? It's getting
John holding that consolidation as well.
Yeah, good job.
Wait, what did you say? Did you say it's past the consolidation?
I said good job holding it. You held it really well on all of that consolidation.
Oh, wow. Okay.
Yeah. And you've got some, let's see the potential here. Oh, look at that. All right. So you got in, got pretty good support. This on the weekly. On the weekly time frame. So you got in. Oh, got in all the way down here. Lots of potential. Look at that. All right. Lots of some consolidation in here, but look at that. Came from a high of what, 68. So good job. Even most recently, 2000 last year, 2021, it was at 30 high, made a high of 36 right here. And you got it at around 6. That's what we want. Good job. Good job. Good job. All right. Okay, so let's go to the next one here. And what's nice about this, Stella, you've got this big candle right here, that big buyers coming in. Broke, look at this. Price broke this resistance. That's reaccumulation, right? If you wanted to, you could have added a little bit more here. All right, but you have a lot of pairs. I mean, a lot of symbols here. So, be careful with reaccumulation, right? Adding to these, but you could have done that here. All right. Let's see here. So check for that one. Good job. PGEN, PGEN. All right. Okay. Same thing here. Buy signal, same area.
Yeah.
Okay. Buy signal at right around 166. It's at 212. Good job. If it gets above $3, that's 100%. Hold it. You've got a little bit of consolidation in here. All right. Markdown phase is a bit choppy, but still good, right? Still good, a bit choppy right here, but still very good. You good support, right? Good support, right? Building up. You held it with this pullback right here. Good job. Oh, Stella, I'm so proud of you. Good job. Very proud of you. Good job. All right. So hold it. You've got new buyers coming in. Break up this resistance here. So new buyers are coming in. And they will, when these buying, getting in on nice pullbacks like this. This is a nice sell-off. These stocks like Gerald, like yours, gapped up. You guys, you can see some explosive moves because they're just jumping and getting in, right? Once they feel that the markets is improving. All right, so big candle here, big buying coming in here. All right, so good job. SRRK. All right, so this is the one you're concerned about.
Yeah, but I'm not out of it yet.
Okay, so hold it, right? You went through the tough phase, right? So you held it through those red candles here. All right. You could have gotten out here if you wanted to, but you held, that's fine. And ideally, if we can hold and wait for that sell signal, all right, that's what we want to do. So good job. Good job staying with it. What's good here is that you have the other pairs. You can tell I focus a lot on Forex, but the other stocks are moving higher, right? The industry is moving higher, right? So biotech, healthcare is holding. So that should help, right? So white candles. So we need a green candle. We need some green candles to form, and then retest this resistance, and then move higher. Good job holding it, right? It should be fine. Nice markdown phase, nice accumulation, just a bit of a pullback, but good job holding it. And then Chris, CRIS. All right. I would, yeah. Are you still in this one?
Yeah.
Okay.
I mean it just because it's so cheap.
Okay. All right. And good job. I mean, good job holding this. It's holding support here. It hasn't given you a sell signal, right? No big sellers are coming in. All right. So sellers are not coming in to really push it. And again, you have the market on your side, right? So all those indexes are on your side. Dow, S&P, NASDAQ, Russell, right? Healthcare, the sector, industry, biotech. All right. The other stocks are moving higher. The majority of your stocks are holding and moving higher. So that should help. We could get, and guess what? They're not breaking down. They're holding support right here. Near-term support is right here. We've got further support down in here. So good job holding on it. Just wait for a sell signal, a white arrow to get out on this one. Okay.
Got it.
Okay. Good job. Let's see here. And D TIL. All right. So you're not in, are you in this one yet?
Yeah,
All right.
I think I got
Early.
it without a signal.
Yeah, you got it. Yeah. So I would next time wait for a signal. Okay. But now that you're in, you got green candles, right? It should move higher here. But yeah, just wait for a buy signal next time. All right. Watch it, keep a close eye on it though. I would do this. Let's see if it has closed the short. So if it has closed the short, that's encouraging. All right, let's bring in good markdown phase though. We need that buy signal because that will tell us that buyers, it's breaking a resistance. Okay, yeah. So it has closed the sell short. So so that's good. That's good. Okay, so it is consolidating. So you should be fine. You should get a probably not probably next week. You should, if
you don't get clean markdowns like this in Forex.
No.
That's nice.
Yeah. And this happened because of the equity market sold off, So you guys will know next time, when the market sells off like that, look, wait, be patient, because those opportunities will come, right? That's how we want to buy low, right? We want to wait. And that's with everything we do, right? Everything we want to wait. Look at that. Nice selling, right? Right. So whoever bought up in this area right here, right? They've been forced out of the trade, or guess what? They might be holding, but on paper, they've taken a major loss. So Stella, you remember your few trades when you first started with us, right? Where you were upside down in the trades? Guess what?
Yes.
Yeah, no longer, no more. Right? No more. Now you're on the other side, right? You're on the other side of the trade. So
Stella, if you don't mind me saying something, but if you was shorting up, if you was losing on those 3 trades or 4 trades, that's 80%. And I would take an 80% trade winning trade ratio any day.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's a good point.
Yeah. So good job here. Again, just buy signal. All right. So FBIO. And today we're just gonna do it. This is just a stellar trading moment here.
I know. I don't want to take everything.
No, this is great. I'm glad you're sharing this. All right. This is good example of what we should be doing. All right. Look at this perfect markdown phase. You guys are getting this. All right, you guys are getting this perfect markdown phase. Nice support. All right, nice support, nice resistance here. Look at this. Nice buy signal. All right. Buy signal came in at $1.14. Where else can you get a cheap stock like this that the big institutions are buying, No real consolidation until this area up in here. All right, that's around 350. Right. So good job. Look at that. Good job. All the selling has been done. All right. All of the selling has been done. All right. So the next one, GRPH. GRPH. You guys take pictures of this. All right. These are good examples. All right. Nice markdown phase. A bit rocky in here, but that's fine. Stella, you got in at the buy signal here too?
Yeah.
Okay, good job. You held it right here. Held it. Buyers are coming in here. You should get a nice pop when you see this tight consolidation in here. When it breaks that resistance right here, you could get a nice pop, right? They're starting to build. All right, so good job here. All right, look at this. The price came from, I am really liking your trades here. 30, let's see here, $33, and you're getting it at $3. All right. Right, good job. You guys see that? Kawisi, you see that? Zane, you guys see that? Corey, you guys see that? All right.
Yeah, that's amazing.
Yes, pretty cool, right? All this, yeah. All right. I'm sorry, RRWG. This is what we need to be doing. WG.
No, I think it was something else.
Okay.
What did you say?
RRWG is what I have.
GRWG.
Oh, okay.
Grow generation.
Okay, GRWG. Hold on. GRWG.
Yeah, GWG.
Okay, G. Okay, G as in
R.
George. R as in Roger.
W.
W.
George.
G. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Okay. Nice markdown phase. All right. You got it at the buy signal, right? Okay. You're just holding. All right. A white candle here, just holding. Nice accumulation phase, right? Nice accumulation phase. All right. Nice markdown phase. Good job. Okay. KOD, you were concerned with that one.
Yeah, I
also.
wasn't sure that to get out of that one.
Okay. Let's see here. I would just wait for the sell signal. All right. So don't do anything until you get a sell signal. Why were you concerned with this one?
Well, I mean, I don't know. It just feels like that gap is so big. I don't know whether it'll ever fill. And it's $9. So if it keeps going down, the losses could, I don't know.
Okay. So what price did you get in at?
At the buy signal.
At the buy signal.
No, that was June. No, so when I entered the beginning of July.
Okay. And it's biotech, right? It's biotech?
Yeah. Healthcare, biotech.
All right. So, okay. So here's the encouraging thing. Okay. Sometimes it's hard to see what's happening here. Okay. Okay, so this is where it made a low at $5. Okay, and this is where you are right now.
Okay, got it.
All right, so here is, you got resistance right here. If we open it up, you see right here, it's moving higher. All right, so here is a low, 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 low. All right, higher lows.
Got it.
Yeah. All right. So, and here's your resistance here. Here is a green candle here, right? It gapped down, red candle, recovered, white candle, We need a green candle to come in here. Hopefully tomorrow, the market is up. Tomorrow, green candle, right here. It's almost there, right? Tomorrow or Monday, green candle, break that resistance and you're off to the races, okay? So no concern there, all right? Just wait for the sell signal. You could fill this gap, all right? So you could get big moves to fill that gap. Whenever you get a lot of consolidation like this, tight consolidation, those can be really good, all right? Because they've got, capital's got to go somewhere, right? Just like it broke down here, right? Just like it broke down, gap down here, all right? This tight consolidation in here, right? You could get a big move, all right? If I was a betting man, I would bet you would get it. You're going to get a big move to the upside, all right? No guarantees, but based on here, based on the price action, just hold on to it, okay? All right, you might be surprised. Get a nice surprise. No guarantee, but hold it till the sell signal. Yeah, and it is a bit expensive, but imagine that $9 is expensive, right? All right. Okay, so and KRON, KRON,
And for North?
and for North, okay, KRON.
Yeah.
Okay, same thing, right? You got it at the buy signal. So,
Yeah.
okay. All right. So nice markdown phase. All right. So this should be in your memory that when you look for opportunities, even with the other markets, right? When you're looking to go long, you want it to have a nice markdown phase. It's not going to be perfect like this, but that's the goal, right? That's your setup. That's your setup. And that's for everyone else, okay? All right. This is where you're going to get your best price at the bottom. This is where you're going to know that, hey, sellers are exhausted. They've gotten really exhausted. Buyers are now coming back in. Good job, Stella. You held it through the red candles. All right. Held it through here. Good job. All right. Here's your resistance here. That's reaccumulation. All right. Right here. Buyers are coming back in. All right. Good job. Good job here. All right. You got it at 4 something here. So, and look at that. It came from higher. Let's see how high it came. Let's bring up a monthly. So monthly $39, $40. That's what we want. All right, that's what we want. And we've got 2 more. All right, so VRCA, VRCA. All right, no buy signal yet. Are you in this one?
I am.
Okay, what was your price?
I think I entered when the green candle started coming in. So somewhere there.
Okay. I don't like this as much. You know, it's up to you if you want to keep it. I would get rid of this one here. Okay, it doesn't have a buy signal, kind of choppy, right? You've got a gap here, just not as clean. And since you don't have a buy signal, you have no way of knowing, when to get in and when to get out. So it's up to you. It's up to you, but not as good as the others. All right. Let's see her here. VRM. Okay. We love this one here. Nice markdown phase. You guys see that? Nice markdown phase. $1.80. All right. Got a buy signal. Let's open it up here. Buy signal. right? So I'm assuming you got it at the buy signal at right around $1.80.
Yeah.
All right, $1.80. And you held it through a bit of this pullback right here, held support, never gave didn't get a red candle, didn't get a sell signal, and green candles right here looking to test. Good job, good job, good job, good job. Nice markdown phase. I love these markdown phases that you got here on these stocks, Stella. Very good, very clean selling, right? And usually when we have clean selling like this in that markdown phase, right? We should get no guarantee, but we should get, it will help us to get clean buy-in to the upside too, all right? And that came from monthly time frame, that came from $74. Okay, so a high of $74, and that was last year. All right, so a high of $74 from last year. So imagine if it really moves, right? So good job. All right. All right, we're gonna give Stella a hand. Absolutely good job. Absolutely good job. And you're trading quite a few. All right. I would be concerned with those, that many, that you're trading, but your entries are perfect, right? Everything is lining up, all right? So your index, right? The Dow, S&P, NASDAQ, and especially the NASDAQ, right? Because these are tech. Well, no, these are biotech. Okay, these are biotech. So the biotech, it looks good. Healthcare, yeah, a bit shaky, but still we got a buy signal, green candles. But boy, a lot of your stocks, right? A lot of your stocks, 90% of them, all right, or even a higher, 95%. Nice markdown phase. Nice markdown phase. You absolutely nailed the buy signals. All right, you nailed the buy signals. You stayed with them even on the pullback. All right, even on the pullback, you stayed with them. Okay, so good job. Okay, good job, good job. Guys, this is, Stella has been working at this for a long time. All right, long time. I'm so proud of you, Stella. All right. When I always get worried when I don't hear, Stella comes on, and usually she's talkative, and for the last few while there, she's been quiet. And I'm learning now. I'm starting to learn that when I don't hear from traders, they're quiet. I used to be concerned, and now I know that they're putting in the work. Okay, so it's good to see you putting in the work, Stella. This is really good. This is really good work. Okay, and the cool thing is, I mean, they're perfect markdown phases. Absolutely perfect. You nailed the buy signals. You held, right? You held them. Even the ones that you were concerned with, you still held them. Okay. And
My takeaway was to wait for the sell signal.
yeah,
So
yeah.
good.
And that they're good. Yeah, and ideally we want to get to the point where we wait for the sell signal. I give you guys an out, right, with the red candle, because I know it's tough, but once you get through that learning, that phase, so I know you get in there, you're there because you're able to hold through those red candles. All right, so good, very good job, very good job. Okay, so now you can consider yourself a trader. right? You're absolutely trading now, right? You have a very defined entry, right? You're holding on, right? All of these emotions, right? We don't have that. We've fixed a lot of that, right? You fixed a lot of that, and you're tough, right? These are tough trading here, and to trade all those. And the cool thing is that with Stock Boss and Heat Seeker, you can do that, right? It's on a daily time frame, so it's not, once a day. You can take a look at it at the end of the day and see and then manage it. Okay, so you can manage. That's why we call it Stock Boss, right? We're gonna kind of manage our stocks. So it's good to see that you don't just have one or two stocks. You have a lot, right? So you can build a nice a nice trading opportunity. All right. So good job. Any questions for Stella, guys? You guys will have any questions for Stella? You want to say anything? Anyone?
No, I like to just say, good job with staying with these trades. I know we are all over the transportation and technology and those other sectors, but good job holding on to those biotech stocks. They definitely moving for you. Good job.
Yeah. Good job. Good job, Stella. Keep working it out, right?
Hey,
Keep
Stella,
working
how
it.
long have you been working at this?
I started in January, maybe mid-January.
Mhm.
With
Oh, okay.
Forex, and then I think February or March, I got the Stock Boss.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
You seem to be coming along. Congrats on that.
Trying.
Yeah, good job. And Stella started with she did Monster Scalper and Sniper. And Sniper wasn't working out for her, right? She didn't really like it as much. So we moved her to Stock Boss. And look what she's doing. So every market, just understand, every market, you're gonna find a market and even a trading system that that works better for you. All right. A lot of traders, and we have some traders that love Sniper. They just absolutely love Sniper. All right.
Is Sniper, is that also equities or is that something else?
Yeah, we do. We do equities. We do 3 stocks with it, but we do options. We trade the options. Okay, so it's
Okay.
faster. It's Sniper, so it's faster. It's a faster. Stock Boss is a bit slower. Sniper, you have to wait. We wait for the picks. It's a different process. It's a different. This Stock Boss and every system, and we have traders that do a combination of things. But when we trade, and we do this in the one-on-one coaching, it really when you'll know when things are smooth. All right, when things are smooth. If it's a lot of, obviously we have to learn the process. But once we learn, if it's hectic, then it's probably not the right process. Okay, trading should be smooth. It should be, not that it shouldn't be easy, but it should be simple. Okay. And then the markets help too. The markets help, right? So Sniper, when we have up and downs like the market's been doing, it's a bit rocky. Even with Stock Boss, we haven't had these opportunities for a while, right? So there was a time when we only had about 10 or 15 symbols come up in Stock Boss, in Heat Seeker here. And now we've got all these opportunities. So the markets, right? The markets will determine, but your trading style, right? Your trading style, all right? And this fits Stella's trading style really, really nice. All right. Really, really nice. I can tell. All right. So good job. Good job. Good job, Stella. All right. Anything else, guys? Anything else? We're gonna end here. So hadn't planned on doing this, right? But I'm glad we did. All right. This is the equities class. I'm glad we did. We saw some really good examples, okay, of Stella's trades. And thanks for sharing your trades. All right. Even the ones, check this out, guys. Even the ones where she didn't wait for the buy signals. All right. She shared those. All right. And she was honest with sharing those also. Okay. So it's all part of refining, right? Refining and learning. And so Stella, thank you so much. I'm so proud of you. I'm very, very proud of you. Even if these trades tomorrow, guess what? Everything goes crazy. You have to get out of them. You've already won, right? You've already won. You're not trading the way you were trading before, right? You entering the right way. You're following the process. So you have won. You've won. You did it. All right. And you can do it again. So proud of you. You're becoming very disciplined. I can't wait to see how you evolve. Okay. And everyone here. All right. Gerald, you're coming along. Collis, you're coming along. Corey. All right. Kawisi, Zane. Good job, guys. All right. I will see you guys. We do not have a class Friday, an advanced class. Our next class will be on Sunday. All right. Forex, stay away for now until we call the next rotation. All right. Take care, guys. Thanks, Stella. Thanks for sharing. Take care, guys. Bye-bye.
Thanks, everyone.